Hey guys, Jonathan here, Colorado Custom Covers and Decks. I just want to kind of go over, we already went over the ledger, putting on the ledger. I just want to go over now, we're going to start nailing on our joist. So what we do is get our layout here, go ahead and we'll put our joist on, and we'll put about four nails into the joist to hold it, and then we'll come back and put the hangers on. So you want to do it that way and not put the hangers on first, because the joist are with the wood, they're all different sizes. We can get anywhere from 7 1/4 to 7 3/4 out of a 2x8, or 9 1/4 to 9 3/4 out of 2x10. And so if you put your hangers on first, and then you got 1/4 inch, even 1/2 inch difference, your deck is not going to be plain at all. Even though if you try to go through and plane it, when you got those low spots, it's really hard to get those out. You'd rather be high, we can plane it down low. We'll have a video on the planing here coming shortly too. But so what we do here, I got my joist. See, I got my joist up already. Put it up on the beam. So what you want to do is put, when it's a drop beam, put it up on the beam first. And then I already got the crown on it. So I just crown it up, put it up on my shoulder to hold it. Get it lined up. And then what I can do here with my fingers, I feel that I'm flush with the top. So you want to make sure you can get that flush. You're not low. You don't want to be low. Remember, if you're a little high, that's fine because you can plane it out. But if you're low, it's no good. So get it right there. Come nail gun. Just nice one nail right there. One nail there. So I got 4 nails in there. Good to go. That's going to hold it nice and secure. We'll come back and put the hangers on, which we're going to have another video on putting the hangers on. So that's just a basic how-to when you get your joist, framing it up to the ledger. And thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for all the likes and shares at our YouTube channel, The Deck Answers, and also at Covers and Decks on Facebook. Remember, The Deck Answers.